Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make chocolate balls or chocolate sphere. Today's version will be a gold and a rose gold chocolate ball. If you have already subscribed to my channel, please do that immediately because it's worth the ride. I'm going to be using this mold. These molds are for making balls. You have the smaller one and bigger one, and I'm also going to be using this Vision eclair sauce. It serves as chocolate, like it does the same job. You can use your white chocolate, could be compound chocolate, or you can also do your black chocolate, maybe compound or covered chocolate. So depends on the one you like and depends on the condition of your weather where you are. So but today's video I'm going to be using the Vision eclair sauce. So an example of a cake that I use is this pink beautiful looking 40th birthday cake. The sale behind it is the Vision chocolate eclair sauce, and this one too, the sale on top of it is the same eclair sauce. So that's what I'm going to be using for today's ball for the purpose of this video, because I'm not actually using it for somebody. So I'm going to be using the chocolate sauce. So I ensure that the mold is not wet or oily, because we're going to be applying our gold luster dust into it. Ensure that your luster dust is an edible luster dust for the health of your customer, because sometimes kids eat these things you put on top of your cake, you don't know. So everything has to be edible. So we're using this gold luster dust, and I'm also going to be using the rose gold luster dust. I don't know, pink, is it pink? And the other color. Now I'm going to put the Vision eclair sauce on the fire. I'm going to be doing a double boil, so water would be below, so the water wouldn't touch the pan, it's just the heat. So after melting it has a very thick consistency compared to your normal covered chocolate or compound chocolate, as you all know. So I'm going to spread it out in the mold and pop it into the chiller or the fridge, because my weather is very hot. As you can see outside, the sun is it can dry cliche, so I had to pop it into the chiller. You can also bring it out when it's stiff, when it's cold and hard, then put another layer of the sauce by the side and pop it into the fridge or freezer again. By then, the essence of doing that is to enable the edges to come out easily, because the hardest part of this is actually pressing it out, and the edges at the top starts breaking. So that's the essence of putting that second layer. So I'm going to just continue. I'm going to bring it out. As you can see, the ball is so shiny. So now this is my pot that I have put on the fire, and I took it out, so and put it on top of a wet towel. I'm just going to heat up the edges of the ball and put them together, and it will form a proper ball. I'm just going to do this for all the balls, and I'll show you what the end result is like before we start the assembling of the balls. To assemble the ball, I'm still going to use part of the eclairs or the chocolate, depending on what you're using, and to stick it to the ground and stick it to the other ball, I have to add the eclairs to the sides. As you all know already, I'm using the dark chocolate version because this product has the white chocolate version. So, and the black chocolate looks kind of dirty because it's staining the gold and the rose gold, but not to worry, this can be totally fixed. It's fixable. Just keep adding your chocolate to glue it up, then I'll show you what to do at the end part of it to achieve that total clean looking ball for your decoration purpose. When positioning the balls, also ensure you choose the cleaner and more presentable part, because you're going to choose your front while assembling it. So the bad parts should be at the back, because nobody's gonna see that. Nobody's going to the back to look for where there's holes or something. You can't just discard the ball because it has hole on it. So like the one I have here has a hole, so I'm going to use it as a gluing point for the next ball. So that's how I'm just going to keep doing it until I choose my front and I work on it and make it perfect. If you've watched up to this level, that means you love my content. Please subscribe. I have loads and loads of other videos in the description box and in my playlist, or you can check them out. They're wonderful video. So I'm just gonna go in with my the luster dust again, because I have to clean up all the dirty parts. So I'm just going to apply it to the brown parts, the dirty part of the ball. I'm going to do this all round on all the balls to make sure they're looking very neat and nicely done. As you can see, that the moment I started applying the luster dust to the ball, it started looking presentable. Like it isn't looking dirty anymore. Even the part where the ball joins to another ball that is brown or black in color, I have to apply the luster dust there to make it look very seamless. The joining would look very seamless. So that's what I'll keep doing until I get the perfect results. Look, can you see the joining part of the ball looking like water, like gold liquid? So that's what I want to actually achieve. So after doing the gold part, I'll move to the other one and dust it same way I did to the gold. Some of the gold actually spilled onto the other color, but not to worry, you can also put another layer of the rose gold on top of it. I call it rose gold, but it might not be rose gold. You can give me the name of the color, but there's a color they wrote on the container, but I call it rose gold actually. If you love this video, please subscribe, like this video, share it to somebody who needs it. This will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Hope it's helpful. You can just pick it up and place it on top of your cake. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.